First, we need to assemble. Excavator! Let's drag the part to its place like this to assemble the car. Don't stop! First, we have to fill it. Excavator! Hooray! Let's dig a hole for the fountain. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! Hooray! We need to assemble. Cement mixer. You're doing really great. Filling. Cement mixer. Ready. Let's get the embedded hoses for the nozzles ready. Now we need to wash it clean. Cement mixer. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. Let's place the waterproofing and tiles on the bottom. Let's fix the rusting. Drag the grinder over the stain and clean the rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. Hooray! We did it! First, we need to assemble. Minivan. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Minivan. Keep up the good work. Let's install the water delivery pump. Let's wash. Minivan. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Lift crane. Ready. Filling. Lift crane. Hooray! Let's install the upper and lower levels. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Amazing! Let's place the tiles and decorations. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. We did it! We need to assemble. Water truck. Done! First, we have to fill it. Water truck. Don't stop! Let's fill it with water and turn the fountain on. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! We have to assemble pickup truck. You're doing really great. Filling pickup truck. Amazing! Let's place the ice cream stand. The fountain construction is complete. You've got a great place to relax. Hooray! Ore is mined on the rocky terrain. Let's build a forge nearby.